Time now for some offbeat stories that will leave you wondering. The solar system has produced another mystery, a space rock that astronomers thought they understood pretty well has suddenly rewritten its own story, forcing scientists to rethink what may be hiding in deep space. And just months after the arrival of the mysterious interstellar visitor, the timing could not be more intriguing. Take a look.
Sometimes the biggest discoveries begin with the smallest anomalies. A tiny object drifts quietly through space for years. Astronomers calculate its path. Everything appears predictable. Then, without warning, it begins to ignore the rules. And that is exactly what happened. Scientists have now revealed that an object long classified as an ordinary asteroid is something far rarer. Astronomers call it a dark comet. Unlike traditional comets, dark comets do not display the spectacular glowing tails that make them easy to identify. They look almost identical to asteroids, blending into the vast population of rocky bodies orbiting the Sun. But appearances can be deceptive. Researchers noticed that this object was undergoing tiny, yet measurable changes in its orbit. Gravity alone could not explain the shifts. After years of investigation, the mystery has finally been solved. The object is releasing extremely small amounts of gas, producing a gentle but continuous thrust. The outgassing is so weak that no visible tail forms, making the comet effectively invisible to traditional detection methods. Scientists describe it as a hidden engine operating in deep space. The discovery suggests that there could be many more dark comets moving unnoticed through the solar system. Now, this has major consequences. Dark comets blur the line between asteroids and comets. They challenge existing classification systems. They could also complicate efforts to predict the future path of near-Earth objects. The discovery comes at a remarkable moment. Astronomers are already closely tracking 3I Atlas, only the third confirmed interstellar object ever observed entering our solar system. While there is no evidence linking the two discoveries, both are reminding scientists that space still holds many surprises. One mystery arrived from another star, the other was hiding in plain sight all along. Bureau Report, Beyond World is One.